guys, in this guitar tutorial we're going to be looking at how you play Power by Marshmello on the acoustic guitar. You won't need a capo and this is all in standard tuning. Before you do anything, make sure that you're subscribed, and if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up as we go along. Right, let's dive into the neck and have a look at these chords in a bit more detail. Okay, so here we are zoomed into the neck, and the four chords you're going to need to know are A major, F sharp minor, we've got a D minor and a B major. Now, like I say, this is without a capo. If you've got a capo, it is easier to play because the chords are slightly different, because obviously you've got the capo. However, for those of you who haven't got a capo, this is how we play it. So let's start with our A major. What I'm doing is simply barring the second fret from the D string down. So it's string number 4 all the way down, pressing nice and hard on that second fret. And I'm letting that A string, string number 5, ring out. We'll have a look at the strumming pattern in a second. Let's nail these chords first. So we've got that's our first chord. And then we're going to our F sharp minor. And for this chord, we are barring fret 2 with our first finger, all the way across from the 6th string to the 1st string. We're putting our 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string. We're putting our pinky finger tucked underneath on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and we're playing all 6 strings. So we've got this. First 2 chords, A major, F sharp minor. Okay, then let's move on to our D flat minor. So for this, you're going to bar from string number 5 down on fret number 4. You're going to put your 2nd finger on fret number 5, string number 2. You're going to put your 3rd finger on fret number 6, string number 4. And you're going to put your pinky finger tucked in on fret number 6, string number 3. And you're going to strum from the 5th string down. You're not going to clip the top E string at all. So let's try all 3 chords together. So we've got and then we go to our B major. So our B major, I'm barring all of fret number 2 except the 6th string, so barring from string number 5 down. And then we're going to bar fret number 4 from the 4th string down. So in actual fact, all I'm doing is playing that B root note, and then I'm going to bar from string number 4 down on fret number 4. I'm not letting the 6th string ring out. You can actually muffle it with your thumb if you want to. Let's try all those chords together. So we've got so all of those chords are the same all the way through the song. If you want to add some variation in, split up from the sort of the verses into the choruses if you like, maybe add a little bit of plucking, add some dynamics in as you play as well. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern now, because this is important. Okay, so here we are, zoomed into the sound hole. So the rhythm pattern we've got is this. So what I'm doing is a downstroke, and I'm sort of hitting the string with my palm. I'm going. So I'm hitting that twice. So if you speed that up. You can mix up that rhythm pattern as well. So I'm putting in an extra downstroke before I go to the next chord. Again, you can look at plucking it using your plectrums. You do a... So have an experiment with that, play along with the track and play adding some different rhythm, sort of rhythm exercises as well. So you can do it without playing the chords, you can do open strings, or you can do it with the chords as you play along. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to hear more tutorials, more song tutorials coming out very soon, then subscribe. I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.